Strutting this bitch like I'm Conor McGregor. Fucking with me, I'll cost you an arm and a leg, a body and head. I'll have this shit looking like Dawn of the Dead. Gory, put it on the line for that glory. I'm the underdog in that story, and they can't forget me, no Dory. Ignore me at your own risk. Serve 'em up with that cold dish. Grab the mic with both fists. Up in Farmville, on my goat shit, and they know this.